In today's video, we're taking a look at how to turn off your Keurig Descale light off easy and simple. It's so easy, anyone could do everything that we used on the video. We're going to leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. Thank you. So you woke up today and went to get some coffee. You open your machine, put the K-Pod in, close it. You finally open your eyes to press the button and notice that the Descale light is on. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. Underground in a bunker, but a back is a back. Once you scrub your eyes and pinch yourself and notice that the Descale light is still on, the first thing that you want is verify that this is your correct home. Next, that's the correct Keurig machine. And now that we confirmed that you're fully awake and not a dream, the only way to turn off the Descale light on your Keurig machine is by descaling it. And for this, you can use the Keurig descaling solution. We'll leave links on the description, or you can make your own magic potion by using 50% distilled white vinegar and 50% filtered water. If you have any water on the Keurig reservoir, we want to remove it and add the entire contact of the bottle in it. Once we dump all the solution on the reservoir, we want to refill it with filtered water and also place it on the reservoir. And a pro tip, not only you want to use filtered water during this process, it's always recommended that you use filtered water when using your Keurig machine. It would help avoid scaling in the future, plus deposits of minerals and any other things that can come from the water line to the Keurig line. If you did the math, you notice is a 50-50 solution. 50% filtered water and 50% descaling solution, which if using vinegar, it would be the same technique. Now we want to make sure that we get the biggest mug or cup that we have and place it on the drip tray. We want to make sure that we have our machine connected, and starting from the powered off position, we want to press and hold the 8-ounce and the 12-ounce buttons together for a minimum of 3 seconds. Once we notice the brew button is flashing, you have finally entered the dark side. We are in descaling mode. We go ahead and press the brew button, and what we're basically going to do is, once the brewing cycle stops, we're going to dump the water on the sink, and we're going to keep repeating this process of pressing the brew button until all the solution on the reservoir is empty. Once we see the add water sign, that means we completed the first step of the descaling process. We're going to take our reservoir to the sink, clean it, and fill it with filtered water. We're basically going to repeat the process. The brew button is going to flash. We're going to go ahead and press it. Then we throw out the hot water on the sink, and we're going to keep repeating this until the descale light comes off. And once it does, this means you have finished the descaling process. But let's say you did the entire process and the descale light stays on, that means you broke the machine. No, that's not true. What we mean is there is an easy solution for this. The only thing that you have to do is unplug your machine from anywhere to 30 seconds to 10 minutes and plug it back in. This should reset your machine and turn off the descaling light. And now you've done it. You become a descaling master of your neighborhood. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.